Hi, my name is Alvaro Mendez, and in this video uh, we are going to explain the plosive sound and the African sound in English. And first, the plosive. In phonetics, a plosive consonant is made by blocking a part of the mouth so that no air can pass through. Pressure builds up behind the blow, and then when the air is allowed to pass through again, a sound is created. This sound is the plosive consonant. The blocking is usually done using the thumb, the legs, and the throat. Plus, it can be voiced or voiceless. And also, we are going to explain the two affricates sound of English. Affricates are consonants that are formed by stopping the flow of the air somewhere in the vocal apparatus and then releasing the air reluctantly, slowly, so that friction sound is produced. And the present day in English, we only have two Africans. One of these is voice and the other one is voiceless. Welcome to the video.
Hi everyone, my name is Carolina Garcia and I will explain the sound with letter P. So, it is called the voices bilabial stop. So this means you use both of your lips to block your mouth. It's defined by the shape of your lips and the motion of airflow through your mouth. So it's a sound made by building up air pressure by stopping airflow and then release it. For example, play, play, or pay, pay. So another example can be problem, problem. So don't forget the sound with letter. So thank you, that's all.
Talk about the sound spaces. The manner of articulation is plosive. The place of articulation is bilabial, is a voice. It is defined by the shape of your lips and the motion of air through your mouth. And it is a stop sound which is a sound made by building up a pressure and releasing it. Examples of the B sound are before, black, problem, number. Other examples are Matthew has a black shirt. You have a big problem with your mouth. Thanks.
Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about the consonant sound letter D. The sound of the consonant is voiced because there is a vibration in your throat. Place of articulation is alveolar. The sound D should be produced with the tip of your tongue touching the upper gum ridge. The manner is plosive. The air is stopped completely in the oral cavity for a brief period. Then is exploded with the release of the plosive, producing loud enough noise to be heard. This is an example: dry, eddy, and wet.
Hi, I talk about the sound. The sound in English is similar to the sound of the letter T in Spanish. In English, the sound is aspirated and produced with a strong puff of air. The characteristics of these sounds are voiceless, Place of articulation is alveolar and the manner is plosive. Some examples of these sounds are at the beginning, to, ten, and time, and the middle, after, between, wanted, at the end, it, but, and went.
Hello guys, today we are going to learn things about the consonant K. The name is K, but the sound is K. Why? Then I will explain you. The first thing is voiceless because it doesn't have vibration. Then it's velar because the tongue touch the soft palate, and it's plosive when we say plosive, that you have to make a sound something that is blows up. Okay, the consonant K in English is similar to the word KC in certain Spanish words, and it's easy to you to pronounce this consonant, and when you make this sound you have to make it out with a strong puff of air, okay? And here you are some examples. For example, the first one, keep, keep, is on the first. The second one, in the middle, practice. The third one, can, can. Do you remember that the can has the same sounds? And the last one, and the end, okay, okay, okay. Can you see? Okay, see you there.
Hi, there this is the G sound. The characteristic of the G sound is voiced, place is velar, and manner is plosive. This means that you use the back of the tongue to block airflow from your throat. The G sound is voiced because your vocal cords vibrate to make it the sound. For example, good, good, and give, give. Now, how the sound is spelled? The G phoneme is normally spelled with the letter G, as in the words good or girl, but can also be spelled with the letter X, as in the words exactly, exactly, or example, the example.
Hi, we are going to learn how to pronounce the sh consonant. English has two affricates, plosive release with frication, but I'm going to explain the sh consonant. The sh is represented by and sh in the phonetic symbols. Also, the sh consonant is voiceless, post-alveolar, and how we already know, it's affricate. Some of the examples of these consonants are church, chart, chase, teacher, batch, and attach.
Hi, my name is Alvaro Mendez and I'm going to explain you the phonetic, the G sound. And the manner of articulation of that sound is African, and the place of articulation of that sound is palato-alveolar, and that sound is voice. And now And that sound is defined by the shape of your lips and the position of your tongue. And it is Affricate, which is a sound made by the closing the airflow and then opening by forcing air through a narrow space. In this case, it's the tip of your thumb that creates the narrow space between and the ridge behind the teeth. And now I'm going to give you some examples of that sound and some words. In the beginning of the word, for example, we have the word general. And for example, in the middle of a word, we have the word measure. And in the end of the word, that sound can be applied, for example, in words like large,